What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. But alright, let's just get this video started. For starters, I was coming out of the gym today and my Jeep got ducked. I had no idea that this was even a thing, but apparently they just like leave a little duck if they like your Jeep. And then here's like all the Instagram like tags for them. But alright, that's changing the topic. Today I'll be installing these like metal door handles from Amazon to the Jeep. I already installed them on that side, so I'll show you guys the quick after and then the before, and then how I decided to go about installing these bad boys. Alright, so pretty much this is what they look like from far away, and once you get up close, this is the final look that these little door handles have on the car. Now let me get to the other side and show you how to install these. Alright, so pretty much the way I'm going about this is the little door handle, and there's no wrong way to put it because they only go on one way. You can see over here it has this flat part which goes towards this side of the handle. Then over here there's like this little curved part that goes right here. So once you align it like that, I'm using my little drill to drill those little bolts into here. I just drill it a little bit just so that this doesn't fall off. And once this is like drilled in on one side, I drill in the other side. Then once they're like, the bolts are slightly in there, that's when I go in with this little ratchet and tighten them up by hand and make sure to not over tighten, because then we can strip the whole hole and then this will not be able to get mounted to the door handle. Gone in with the drill, that's when I go in by hand with this and just tighten until it feels tight enough to where I won't strip it. Like right here I feel like I reached the edge, and over here just gonna tighten it a little bit. That feels tight enough. Then try to move it and it's not moving, and voila, that is how you install these bad boys. It also comes with the trunk piece, which is no different than the other one. Same principle. The handle is just like vertical. But yeah, it's pretty much the same thing to install this bad boy. Alrighty guys, well I came back inside. I'm gonna wash the floor mats because they're filthy. But I took some off-roading footage a while back, and I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without some like fun content. So I'm gonna upload the content that I took the day I went off-roading with my friends, and hopefully y'all enjoy it. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Si puedes. Agua ya le iba a dar bien machín. Que fuera así, que está pitando cada rato. Dijo pues seguimos aquí. Jesús Ame desde Seattle, Washington. Un saludo al compa Paco, al compa Erga. Y échale bien.
después este mundo se ha vuelto una cochinada.
Van a miar, güey.
¡Hazte, güey!
Okay, we're finished those. There's still more. Don't even try. Catch up.
¡Hazte, güey! You're gonna have a shaky video, bro. If it's shaky in real life, bro. You took it like nothing.
I feel like the bigger dips are easier to get through than the small ones.
Yeah.
Because the little one's like,
Yeah.
and the big one's just like,
Just takes it. ¡Hasta güey! ¡Sideways! Alex is gone. You should have emptied the car before coming, bro. You got everything in the bag.
well, that was saying it was gonna be an easy trail. So I was like, el otro comparaste de este, yeah.
It's handling it like nothing, though. Just be careful right here, because there's a big ass ditch, and there's a metal plank to drive over. I almost flew into that shit on the quad. I learned the hard way.
Where is it at?
A bit further up ahead. Like where he's at. It's right here. Hold on. What the fuck? Yeah, it's further ahead. Right here, wait. Yeah. They want you to sing it here. I'm trying with this one. Oh, ni verga!
It was right as fuck.
You could probably see me out here, where, if you want. Alex got up.
Huh?
Alex is up. Where's Alex? Throw that shit in 4x, güey.
No sé cómo subir esta madre, güey. Oh, that shit got that vertical, bro. What the hell?
Call that fool Alex.
Just don't let go of the gas.
So just gas it all the way.
No, to the left, to the left.
I'm not.
Yeah, just go.
My headlight fucking died and shit.
Fuck it.
Gas that shit, dog. Gas that shit.
Telling you. Last thing when you're doing turns, it's not too good that you have it in
4x4, yeah, I was seeing that shit online.
Yeah. So you put it in neutral, ya lo quitas. Lo puchas en frente.
Hey, edit that part.
Hey, I'm like SpongeBob. I'm like SpongeBob when he's fucking seco. I
don't need Okay.
Alright, go. Yeah, yeah. A la verga. Hold on. ¿Qué pedo?
No,
I
like it.
don't think it has so much power.
Nah?
But I'm saying to hold it, hasta allá, burn out,
Let me see.
and then let it go.
Let me try it.
Swinging.
If you don't mind.
ESP off.
Put on one.
Yeah,
How the
ESP off.
Put on one. You got traction on? That's on. That's
No,
on first
I
gear.
just took traction off. I think that's how it was.
Oh, just now?
Oh, you just took it off right now?
Yeah, I just took it off.
Okay, dale. All right. You didn't close the window?
No.
Oh, hell
We melt that shit, bro.
no. You want to go in? Here, wait. You want to go in mine? See how it feels?
Hey, but let me move it, no?
Look at that cloud you made, güey.
I'll go over there.
It's over here, güey.
Record you?
Oh shit, it's just been